Velveeta. What's up, Savvy B? It's so good, you guys. It's so good. It's really bad. Buen dia, mi gente. Welcome back to my channel. We got some fun stuff happening this week. Josh and I are going to a Red Sox Yankee game. It's my first Red Sox Yankee game ever. I'm really excited. And then we're also going to the Breakaway Festival in Worcester, which I've never been to before. It's kind of like a baby festival, the way Josh describes it, because it's not as big as something like, I don't know, Coachella. But there are some pretty cool DJs that we're both excited to see. I did just get our first sleeve shipment, which I'm pretty excited about because we get one every 3 months. So I figured we could unbox that together. So if you're unfamiliar, First Leaf is a wine subscription, and my husband and I get 6 bottles every 3 months. And what's cool about it is they send you these cool pamphlets with what the wine is, where it's from, a description, and then also food pairings, which I think is pretty cool. How many times did I say cool? Okay. I do have a discount and referral link in the description below if you're interested. All of these wines are international. Like, there's no domestic wines here. And especially given the way tariffs are working, you're not about to screw me out of good wine, okay? First up, we have a white wine. This is a 2023 Vin Blanc from France. Tasting notes of Buddha's hand. What? Tropical fruit and white flour. Says it pairs well with bistro salad and a cheese board. Okay. Actually, you know what? We'll just do all the white wines first. I only have 3 in here. Next, we have a 2023 Sauvignon Blanc from France. Tasting notes of lemon, grapefruit, and pina colada. What's up, Savvy B? Yes, I am here for that. Oh my God. It says it pairs well with scallops, goat cheese salad, and grilled asparagus. Okay, next we have a 2021 Colorado from Italy. Tasting notes of honeysuckle, peach, and grapefruit. Pairs well with soft cheese, fish tacos, and fig pizza. That is so descriptive. Ooh, and it's a vintage from their vineyard. Love that, love that. Okay, let's move into reds. Okay, first up for reds, we have a 2021 Merlot from France. Tasting notes of blueberry, blackberry, and vanilla. Pairs well with spaghetti and meatballs, ratatouille, and braised pork. You know, I'm not a big Merlot girly, but I also have only ever had domestic Merlot. I don't think I've had, I don't think I've had a Merlot from France. I don't even think I've had Merlot from Italy. I mean, Merlot is just like a blend of grapes, but. Okay, see, this is where like the tasting description comes in. Our Merlot greets the nose with uplifting menthol-like aromas. I'm not sold on this. It has a fruit-driven palate with blueberry and blackberry flavors joined by vanilla and almond notes from oak. It has high acidity and tannins, but feels soft, making it an excellent choice for food pairing. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna knock it till I try it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, next we have a 2020 Vino Tinto from Spain. Tasting notes of white pepper, red currant, and tobacco. This is something Josh would like. Josh really likes like earthy red wines. Says it pairs well with empanadas, grilled steak, and barbecue. So on par. Lastly, we have a 2021 Red Blend Mendoza from Argentina. Tasting notes of balsamic, cranberry, and forest floor. Pairs well with empanadas, flank steak, and mushroom risotto. You know, I don't think I've ever had a wine and been like, it's giving forest floor. If you're interested in trying First Leaf and just expanding your wine palette, definitely give First Leaf a try. The referral link in the description below will give you $15 off your first box. Good morning, everybody. I'm bringing Josh to his first Rumble fitness class. Are you excited?
Yeah, a little nervous.
You should be. They're gonna kick your ass.
Probably.
All right, let's get ready for the Breakaway Festival. I'm looking outside and it looks like there's a storm coming. Hopefully by the time Josh and I get there, be passing through. I'm kind of excited. This is Josh and I's first festival. It's like a baby festival from what we've read. They're apparently really trying to grow this festival. This is the 2nd year they're doing it. In Worcester, anyways. A lot of people will give Worcester a bad rap, but honestly, that's home, bro. That's like where I grew up. It's actually been really nice to see the city invest money in infrastructure because growing up, there really wasn't a lot in Worcester, like the downtown area. And even now, I have a lot of people at work that live in Worcester and take the commuter rail, and I'm like, that is not something that was happening like 15, 20 years ago. I think this is a good time to use this moon dust from Urban Decay. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Also, today was my first Rumble class back in 1, 2, 3.5 weeks, almost 4 weeks. She's So LA by Patrick Ta. I was really proud of myself. Like, I kept up, but also I could tell you, like, the class itself wasn't as hard as like my 3rd class or my 4th class. It really is like muscle memory. I was also really proud of Josh. He did so well. And now I just feel like I can get back into my regular work routine. Like, work has been so crazy the past couple of weeks since we've been back. You know, when you do a workout class, after a while, you're just like, all right, that kicked my butt. That was the kick in the butt that I needed. Also, for earrings, I put on these cute little cherries. I haven't worn these since we went to Pacha last year, which was so much fun. I need to go back to Ibiza. But if you're looking to listen to a fun mix, I'm gonna plug Josh's birthday mix for me again. It's so good, you guys. It's so good. I listen to it literally like every day. I'll never understand people who just like don't listen to music on a daily basis. I listen to music every day, and I've met people in my life who are like, yeah, I think I average like 12 minutes on Spotify a year. I'm like, what about Apple Music? SoundCloud? Anything? I'm also on Spotify. If you didn't know, my acapella group was not my acapella group. The acapella group I was a part of in college, we recorded an EP, and I had a solo on one of the songs, so you can find that on Spotify. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. You're gonna have to find it yourselves. I'm just gonna do a little brown liner under the eye and then in the corner here. Yeah, subtle. See that? That's what I'm going for. Just want to give the appearance of a wing, but not have a wing, and just kind of like lift the eye a little bit. That's also why we do a cut crease, just like, you know what I'm saying? Also, I didn't realize this, but apparently Shaq is one of the DJs at the festival. He goes by the name DJ Diesel. I'm just assuming he's gonna play like bro dubstep. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I didn't know he had a hobby besides shitting on the Celtics. I'm trying to go for like this warm terracotta look. Obvious, I'm gonna need a little more blush. All right, I'm gonna go a little crazy. So I did black mascara on my upper lashes, and I'm gonna do brown mascara on my lower lashes. Ooh. Okay, I kind of love that. For a lip, I'm gonna use the Ami Kohl lip liner in Rose Clay. And then I'm gonna use my Sephora satin lipstick. This is shade 19. It's like an orangey, well, it just fits the vibe. I'm gonna seal everything with the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. Oh my god, I have to brace myself for this. Woo, okay. And that is the final look. We made it to Worcester. The stage is literally like over there, but it's downpouring. So we're hiding out in this little like archway. Some of the other stuff before we go watch Shaq do his set.
It's DJ Diesel, it's not Shaq. It's like his alternate ego.
I wasn't expecting that. We got free Velveeta. They were giving away. We're literally walking out and they're throwing these at people.
And then can I get an 8-piece nugget?
Anything else?
That'll be all.
Lovely.
That was a lot of fun. Question is, would you do it again?
Yeah, I'd do it. I'd even do the 2 days. Because I'd be interested to see what the champ smokers are like there.
Same. The DJs were really good. Successful Saturday night. I personally love this time of year. This is like the true harvest season, right? It's also like my birthday season, but you just feel that shift in like the wind. That sounds so corny to say. Like the breeze gets a little bit cooler, but it's still warm during the days. Like you can feel fall coming. Like this is my favorite. This transition season is always my favorite. But anyways, it's still summer, so we're here at Dairy Queen.
Me too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yum. This was a great idea, babe.
It's your idea.
I know. These are my absolute favorite. This is from the world's oldest brewery. It's a Hell's Lager, and it is my favorite beer. It's from Germany. Also, we need to have a little chat, okay? Because when it comes to like pumpkin beers and stuff, I know everybody loves Pumpkinhead. So do I. So do I. I love Pumpkinhead. But hear me out. If you have to try Smashed Pumpkin from Shipyard. It's better. It just is. If you like Pumpkinhead by Shipyard, you will love Smashed Pumpkin. I've never steered you wrong. I've never steered you wrong. The weather is starting to give like cool fall vibes. I think the high for the game tonight is gonna be 67. So instead of like a summery peach blush, I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Ta She's So LA. This is my favorite. It's like that bronzer look. And I'm gonna go in with the powder first, per usual. Little Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Okay, now that the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray has died down, now I'm gonna go in with the cream from Patrick Ta. I just prefer a really natural, like glowy finish, obviously. I'm gonna do brown liner tonight. I haven't done a brown liner in a minute. Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner in brown. Love that. You see that? Stunning. Stunning! Okay, I just had to hop into an outfit change. Got pulled into a work call, so work always calls, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal spray just on my chin because the outfit I'm wearing tonight is a little bit preppy and I have a sweater over, so I just don't want my makeup to come over, okay? This is my lash primer. I'm telling you, if you're not using a lash primer, if you're not using a lash primer, you're missing out.